Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Jeep Grand Cherokee headlight bulb, only ways. Start by parking on level ground, disconnecting the battery negative, and opening the hood. Check your owner manual or oil cap for the correct bulb type and buy a replacement that matches. Gather gloves, a socket or screwdriver, and a clean microfiber to avoid fingerprints on the new bulb. Follow each step calmly and test the light before finishing. Remove any plastic covers, screws, or clips blocking access to the headlight rear. If a wheel well liner is in the way, gently peel it back to reveal the housing bolts and connector. Use the appropriate screwdriver or ratchet to remove retaining fasteners and set them aside in a container. Keep track of clip orientation so reassembly is simple. Work in good light and take photos if you think you might forget placement. With the housing exposed, depress the connector tab and pull the plug straight back to free it. Release any retaining clip or twist the bulb counterclockwise and remove the old bulb. Avoid touching the glass surface of the new bulb. Hold by the base or wear gloves to prevent oils. Insert the new bulb, secure the clip or twist it into place, reconnect the wiring, and loosely reattach panels to test the light before final tightening.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.